Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to another new video of the AZ900 track. So in this one we are going to look into how do we get an opportunity to be Azure certified for free. So Microsoft has started an initiative which is to create our vision for tomorrow and to understand what the cloud can do for us and our company. So the initiative is named as Microsoft Azure Virtual Training Day Fundamentals. So in this initiative, we will learn how to get started with Azure, integrating Azure with our existing networks, better understanding the key cloud concepts and core services, also which includes the pricing, support and cloud security. We would also assess and evaluate our existing on-premises environment and prepare a cloud migration. And we'll monitor and optimize our Azure-based workloads currently present to maximize return on investment. So we need to use these Azure services to protect and manage our virtual machines, applications and data, and how we can do that. So this virtual training will be delivered in two parts over 2 days with modules covering the Azure cloud concepts, the core Azure services, the Azure solutions and management, Azure security and network security, identity governance, privacy and compliance, and the Azure pricing and lifestyle. So who should attend this Microsoft Azure Virtual Training Day Fundamentals? So if we are looking to develop our cloud skills, advance our career, transform our business, so this is the place to be. Also, those who are looking to explore the capabilities of cloud services and the vast area of Azure technologies, then this is the place to be for them as well. Also, we will discover what's it like to develop solutions and efficiencies in a feature rich and virtually unlimited environment, which is the cloud, the Azure cloud. You'll get the opportunity to ask any questions and get them answered in real time by Microsoft certified trainers. So if you have queries and want to have one-to-one discussions or want to get your queries clarified by Microsoft certified trainers, so this platform or this initiative will help you to do that. So after completing this free training, now we come to the most important part, that after we complete this free training, which is over 2 days and will cover all these modules, we will be eligible to take the Microsoft Azure Fundamental Certification exam at no cost. Just free of cost, we'll get an opportunity to be Microsoft Azure Fundamental Certified. So Microsoft Fundamental Azure Certified is a certification which requires you to clear this exam AZ900. So once we go through this program, or this once we are part of this initiative and we complete this whole program, we are eligible to take this exam for free. So I'll provide this link in the description. Please go ahead and check this. So all you need to do is visit this portal, and once you visit this, you just need to click on register now. Once you do that, it will take you to the event registration. It will look something like this. So where you'll fill all the details, and after that you confirm the registration and you'll get a confirmation mail stating the further procedure. So this is all you have to do, and you will get an opportunity to be Microsoft Azure Fundamental Certified for free. So there are two virtual training days. One is on 20th April and another is on 19th May. So based on your preparation, based on your schedule, you can choose that. Also, we'll be covering the AZ900 track. So we'll be going through all the internal course curriculum for the AZ900, and doing demonstration and videos on that. So please feel free to stay with us, subscribe to this channel, and we can go for this certification together and get Microsoft Azure certified for free. Also, we have another initiative where the Microsoft Azure team are providing the Microsoft Virtual Training Days Canada, and there you'll get all the internal genres or streams of data fundamentals, AI fundamentals, deliver integrated analytics with Azure Synapse, data fundamentals, AI fundamentals, data fundamentals, modernized .NET apps, DevOps with GitHub, AI fundamentals. So I'll provide this link as well in the description. You all can go ahead and register for extra knowledge, and if you have interest in this field, you can go ahead and explore that. So please go ahead and register yourself for this, and let us continue in this journey, and let us try to soon be Microsoft Azure certified for free. Have a nice day. Cheers.